Dear students, friends and well-wishers, now we have come to session 8. Session 8, the same arithmetic progression, we are dealing with non-numerical model of sum of n terms. You won't find numbers here. So these kind of sums you can now deal in session number 8, non-numerical model. This can be done in two methods. The first method is, look here, sum of n terms. So Sn is given as Pn square plus Pn plus Qn square. Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constants. Constants means like this is like 2n square, 2n plus 3n square, like that. These are called constants, P and Q. So hope you understood. So this P and Q are called constants like 2, 3, 4, etc. The question is, find the common difference. D equal to question mark. The first method is, when you put n equal to 1, put n equal to 1 both sides. Okay, this is actually what I am doing is called method 1, not part 1, method 1. So when you put n equal to both sides, sum of first term is equal to P into 1 plus Q into 1 square, which is nothing but P plus Q. S1, sum of first term is also called as A1 or T1, which is equal to P plus Q. Hope you understood. When you put n equal to 1 on both sides, we get the sum of first term. Sum of first term is nothing but A1. The starting term is called A1. If you add that also A1. So we can write here A is equal to T1 is equal to P plus Q. Now after finding A, we can try to find the common difference. The method I am doing is called method 1. Look here, we know the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to Sn. Okay, n by 2 into a is nothing but what? P plus Q. A is nothing but P plus Q plus n minus 1 into d equal to Sn is nothing but, you are getting this, Pn square, sorry, Pn plus Qn square. Pn plus Qn square. Now look here. Now we have to multiply these two. When you multiply these two, this 2 will get cancelled. You get n into P plus Q. Okay. And next you must multiply these two. When you multiply these two, you get plus n into n minus 1 into d by 2 equal to Pn plus Qn square. Now look here, when you multiply this, you get Pn plus Qn plus n into n minus 1 into d by 2 is equal to Pn plus Qn square. Now this Pn and Pn will get cancelled. Actually, this Pn will go that side and become minus Pn and cancel, but this will cancel. So we got the remaining terms. Now we'll continue it. So after cancellation, you can write this Q and you can take that side. So you get n into n minus 1 by d by 2 is equal to Qn square minus Qn. This Qn is going the other side. That's what I wrote here. Now we'll continue from here. So when you continue, you get n into n minus 1 by d by 2 is equal to, here q and n is common. So take qn outside, you get n minus 1. You can check it. If you multiply, you get this answer. Now this n into n minus 1 and n into n minus 1 gets cancelled. It's actually multiplying. It will go and divide down, but you can cancel like this. So you get d by 2 is equal to q, or the common difference d is nothing but 2q. So we got the answer. Common difference is equal to 2q. There's one more method of getting this that will be much more easier. So this method is followed by many, and you can follow the other method also. We'll do the next method. Hope you understood this. So they are given sum of n terms and you have to find the common difference. We have done it. Next we do another method. Now we'll go to method 2. Method 2. Method 2. And remember this answer from method 1. This is answer. In method 1 you got it. In method 2 also you must get the same answer. We'll try it now. Method 2. Find the common difference. So I'll put here method 2. Now look here. Sn is equal to Pn plus Qn square. Okay. Now what you do is put S1. Sum of first term is nothing but P into 1 plus Q into 1 square. So you get P plus Q. And I told you already, sum of first term equal to nothing but A1 or T1, which is equal to P plus Q. So this we wrote already from the method 1. So the first part of method 1 and method 2 is same. Now what we can do is, this is the first term. Sum of first term is also called A1 or T1. Now we'll go to the second term. Put sum of two terms. So wherever n comes, you must put 2. P2 plus Q into 2 square. Sum of two terms, which is nothing but 2P plus 4Q. When you put n equal to 2 on both sides, you get the sum of two terms. Remember, S2 is nothing but 2P plus 4Q. Now, sum of two terms is nothing but T1 plus T2, which is given as 2P plus 4Q, or which we got as 2P plus 4Q. Now, the first term is P plus Q, substitute here. First term is nothing but P plus Q. And second term we have to find out. And Tt equal to 2P plus 4Q. So term 2 is nothing but, take both that side, you get 2P plus 4Q minus P minus Q. When you subtract 2P and P, you get P. 4Q and minus Q, you get plus 3Q. So term 2 is nothing but P plus 3Q. After finding term 2, common difference is only one step. So you can write as term 2 is equal to P plus 3Q. Now we can find common difference immediately in one step. Common difference is called by the word D, which you can get in 1 second. Immediately when get it, we know common difference is nothing but T2 minus T1. So method 2 will be much more easier. So D is equal to, the T2 is nothing but P plus 3Q minus T1 is nothing but P plus Q. D is equal to P plus 3Q minus P minus Q. P and P will get cancelled. D is equal to 2Q. The same answer which you got in first method, you are getting in the second method. Hope you understood this. So there are two methods we did it to finding the common difference. All this in session 8 you find mostly these kind of non-numericals, and we have to find certain things. Hope you understood. Copy this. Thank you. And if you find this study useful, you can recommend to your friends, and also you can give a like.